Welcome to 100 Days of Code. This is day 13 and this is part 2 of today. The first part you can find on my channel. Actually, I just built the server and I just showed you that in the first video, and now I'm going to deploy it onto a real Linode server. This is the server. As you can see and as you have seen in the last video, it works locally. I also tested SQL, I tested GraphQL, and it all works. So now I'm gonna set up a Linode server on my Linode manager, and I will show you how to do that. It's not that hard. I just have a few guidelines here for myself, a few commands that I have to type in, and then it's done. I will just walk through this, and then after I have the server, I have to create a repo and push the project to the repo, then pull it or clone it on the server, and then I'm gonna initiate it with yarn start and building it and everything, and run it in PM2 and then show you that it's running. Then I'm gonna test it, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, it's a lot, but I can do this in about half an hour. So we're recording now for 1 minute and 50 seconds, and I have 11% battery left. I hope it's enough on my MacBook, else I might have to cancel this one. But yeah, I'm gonna start right now. Let's not waste any more time. So first I'm gonna I wanna add a Linode. I think manage volumes. Add a Linode there. This one. Let's do him in London. I didn't have a Linode before in London. That's cool. So let's first change the name. I don't like it if it's the common name. So day 13. Simple. Then go to the dashboard. Create a new disk. Ugh. I'm sorry, it's not a disk. I have to deploy an image. I have to wait. Sorry. Now I'm gonna deploy an image, and now I can install the LTS, the most stable 16. Where is it? Ubuntu 16.04 LTS, long-term stable version. To fill in my password here, I think deploy, and then it's sure it's creating the disk. I have to wait a minute. Yeah, it's created. Now I can boot it, and then I can already enter it. Remote access. I'm gonna go to the terminal. Oh, I'm not supposed to be there. Let's just clear that. So yeah. Let's go to London. First it will ask me if I think it's safe. Hopefully, if the internet works. Yeah. welcome. Already did that, but these are the commands that I would normally have to do. As you can see, it's not that hard. It's just typing in a few commands. So I have the SSH. I'm gonna add lekker, as I always do. Gonna type some passwords and some information. And alright, that's correct. That's not necessary information anymore. Doesn't even exist anymore, probably. So now we're gonna give it some rights. Gonna log in as it. I am lekker. Give it the right rights, and that's it. I'm root now, and I'm gonna go, and I'm in my own directory again. That's great. I'm gonna make it look nice, clear it all up. So now I can actually log in as lekker at 178.186.237. And I don't need a password anymore. That's a good thing. It's safer without passwords because I have that key. And now I'm going to disable passwords all the way. I don't want people to log in with root. I don't want any password authentication at all. Save. Load it. And I believe it. I believe it that I can. I'm not gonna test it. I'm just lazy. So I'm now gonna set up the firewall. Alright, that's good. And that's it. So now I have the server set up correctly and safely. And now I'm going to create a GitHub repo for my date 13. And I hope I can make it. I don't have a lot of time. And as you can see here, we're in server again. Git add. Let's push it. And it goes pretty quickly. It should be there now. So if you want my server, you can find it here. Now I'm gonna get it myself from the server, from this Git. I'm gonna clone it, and that's not easy. That's not hard. I mean, sorry. So of course, first I have to install yarn and everything. So yeah, sorry, that's gonna take a while again. I'm not gonna finish that now. I'm gonna pause for a while. Okay, I'm back. I hope the sound still works. So yeah, I have the Git. I was just about to install all these programs here. So let's first create a directory. Lots of wind out here. Just connect with the right network. This one is a little slow. also there, I think.